Hi, I'm Prachi here. Since you're watching this video, you must have joined some networking club like BNI, Saturday Club, MIG, BBNG or something similar. Most of the networking clubs have similar rules. In this video, I will show you some tips by which you can learn the networking ropes. The faster you start implementing them, the faster you will start earning from the networking. The first few months I struggled a lot. No one gave me a single referral. To tell you the truth, I was a bit nervous and was thinking of leaving. But slowly I started understanding networking. In this playlist of networking, on my channel Prachi, Interiors with Prachi, I shall tell you about what I have learned so far. But let me introduce myself first. Hi, I'm Architect Prachi. I joined networking in 2016, but I started getting business from networking only after I learned the ropes of networking. So on this channel, Interiors with Prachi, we are also going to share some networking tips. If you find them useful, definitely share them with your friends. And like and subscribe our channel. Keep watching. Whenever you are doing something new, to do it successfully, you must learn the rules about it. Only then you can do it successfully. All of us have joined the networking to grow a business. Why we want to grow a business? Obviously, to earn more from our business. That's the only reason, isn't it? If you want to earn fast from the networking, you have to do few things. These are the 7 golden rules to shorten the time till you earn through networking. Now let us go letter by letter and step by step. The first letter E stands for education. You have to educate the members about how to sell your products or services to their contact sphere. Remember, you have not joined here to sell to members, but you want the members to sell your products to others. They will refer you only if they know about you, about your services and about your products. So you have to educate them. They are your sales force. Can you imagine having a sales force who doesn't have any knowledge about you? So how to educate them? First of all, you have to break your services into small pieces. Tell this in the story form in meeting when you are giving self-introduction. That is your elevator speech. Now let us see what is the second way of educating the members. It is 600 seconds. That is your 10 minutes presentation. Take every opportunity to give your 10-minute presentation. You get full 600 seconds. You have to utilize them fully. Tell your success stories. Tell your strengths. Tell your USPs. Tell what dream referrals you want. Tell what impressive clients you have. Show them your testimonials. Ask your happy clients to record video testimonials for them. If you have given service to the members, ask the members to stand up and give a live testimonial for them. Nothing works greater when others talk about you. It builds instant credibility. So utilize this 600 seconds the most. Now what else you can do is do one-to-one with the members. To do the one-to-one, the best place is the workplace, either yours or theirs. Go to their workplace, see their products, or call them to your workplace and show them yours. This will educate each other about everything. Like how you behave with your staff, how your products are they quality products, how you are selling to your customers. They will understand whom to refer you to. That is most important to sell your. So do one-to-one with as many members as you can. Educate them. Second letter A stands for the amount you give. Now you must be wondering what to give now. I already paid my membership fees and now she's telling me that I have to give again. I'm not talking about the amount in the money form. I'm saying that you have to give a lot more, like your time, your referrals. You have to take responsibilities of chapter work. You have to be dedicated to your chapter and chapter members, and then you will see the difference. The third letter, R, that stands for relationships. You have to cultivate relationships with members. You can do it in your style. There are no hard and fast rules here. You can talk to them during free networking time, before and after the meetings, or go and visit them. Go to the movies with them, bond with their families, party with them. No hard and fast rules for that. When you will cultivate relationship with them, it will start paying off. They'll start trusting you. To give you a referral, they first have to remember you, right? So this will help with that. The fourth letter N stands for numbers. It is very important to increase number of members in your network. The more number of members means more contact circles. This will result in more referrals, more business, and more earning. So remember, increase the members in your chapters. To do this, we invite a lot of visitors. Ask the visitors to join your chapter. Give them referrals they want. Ask for the referrals you want, and you both will start growing your business. So try and increase the number of members in your chapter and your networking. The fifth letter I stands for industry. It is always important, isn't it? I, it can be for you, or I, it can be for your industry. Here I mean I for the industry. The member has to be from the industry who can give you relationship referral. That works great, If a wedding planner, dress designer, jeweler, florist, musician, performers, they all are the people in your chapter. They can form a group. They can do joint ventures for each others. They can work for each other's clients and all benefit from it. If the interior contractor, material vendors, interior designer are all a part of one chapter networking, they get many references from each other. They work together as a team, resulting great earning for all. So remember to invite more such visitors for your category. The sixth letter N stands for natural giver. It means you have to be like a tree. Like a tree gives oat fruits. It gives you shade. It gives you its fruits, oxygen to the mankind, and everything selflessly. Similarly, be a giver of references. Help the chapter members in any way that you can, and then you see the result. It will definitely grow your business. So be a natural giver. The seventh letter G stands for giver's gain. When every member or most of the members start giving to others, they all will receive wonderful references and many references, right? Wow, what's that? The networking club chapters will soon be giver's gain chapter. This is important funda of networking, giver's gain. You have to learn it fast. So the last letter was G, that was for giver's gain chapter. So we all saw 7 golden rules of networking. Aren't they easy to follow? Let's brush them up once. The first rule was educate others and yourself about services and products. Second was amount you give. The amount of referrals, most importantly. The third was relationships, and fourth was number of members. The fifth was industry you are in. 6th, natural giver. Be a natural giver. 7th, givers gain chapter. When you apply all these rules, you will start earning fast from networking as well. Happy networking. Friends, did you like this video? Click like if you have liked. Your likes and comments boost me to make more videos of these kind. Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel Interiors with Prachi. Don't forget to click on the notification icon. Keep watching us. Bye for now.